I'm here again. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to test the drone, how far or how high the drone can fly. But we cannot measure the distance, guys, because unless we are going out of Perth, because Perth is so many houses and buildings, and today is a bit windy, so we can't really go really up. But we are just going to try the drone, how far or how high the drone can fly. I see I'm here in a perfect place. I'm outside of the boundary of the airfield boundary, one of the unrestricted area. So it's a perfect timing because there's not much people here. There's only few cars here and me. So let's stay tuned with me. Okay guys, my location right now is in Perth, and in Perth today is windy, so we are going to do a test flight for my DJI MINI 2 drone for our test flight on a windy weather. So if you can see that one, and it's 22 degrees. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna try another more time to capture more footage or videos when it's not, you know, it's less windy, because today is very windy, and I just only try the drone on how it can handle on a windy weather, and tried on a lake like this one. So next time I'm gonna sending you more and posting you more videos of how far the drone can fly. So thank you so much for that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and see you next time. Don't forget to share my videos, guys. Thank you all. Bye bye.